Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to share your assessment with others using Agolix. Once your assessment is ready, navigate to your My Assessments page, select the Share Assessment link in the menu under your assessment to begin sharing. You'll first see a selection of settings that determine how your assessment will be shared. If you want to keep your assessment private, you can check the Hide from Google and other search engines box. This ensures that your assessment won't show up in web search results. To prevent unauthorized access, you can require an access code. This ensures that only users with the correct code can complete your assessment. You can manage the access codes from the settings that appear on the right. If you want to segment your responses by groups, you can create a group and then share a specific link with the group members. For example, you might want to track responses from a conference audience. When you create a group, the URL changes to reflect that group. Later, you can filter responses by group in your Agolix account. Next, you'll choose how to share your assessment. Agolix offers 3 methods: sharing a direct link, embedding your assessment, or displaying it in a pop-up window. The first option is to share a direct link to your assessment. Simply click the Copy URL button and you can paste it into emails, social media, or your website. You can also copy the QR code, which respondents can scan to access your assessment. Alternatively, you can embed your assessment within your website using an iframe. Click Copy to Clipboard to grab the embed code and paste it into your site's HTML. This allows visitors to take the assessment without leaving your website. Lastly, you can display your assessment in a pop-up window on your website. Click Copy to Clipboard to copy the code snippet, then paste it into your page's HTML to display the assessment in a pop-up. That's all for today. You now know how to share your assessment in multiple ways. Be sure to check out other tutorials to maximize the potential of Agolix. And remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix.